Looking for the best foldable phones to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the most feature-packed foldable phone you can buy. It offers a lot of options for running multiple apps in different windows, with productivity tools and shortcuts built right into the system. This makes it an excellent choice for power users and business professionals. While we're not big fans of the slimmer cover display, which Samsung says makes the phone easier to use one-handed while closed, the power and performance of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 are hard to beat. It's the fastest foldable phone available, by far. The Z Fold 6 also has the best cameras of all the foldable phones we've tested. Samsung's camera modes produce great results. Whether you're taking food photos or nature close-ups, you won't be disappointed with the pictures. Another highlight is that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 supports Samsung's S Pen, making it the only foldable phone for people who want a drawing tablet built into their phone, not just a bigger screen. While it's one of the most expensive foldable phones, it offers more features than any other, making it a top choice for those looking for the best foldable phone. Number 4. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the first foldable we've reviewed that feels completely normal. No matter how you use it, the cover display is the exact same as the screen on the Google Pixel 9, no more and no less. The inner display is the largest screen ever stuffed into a foldable phone at the time. No matter how you use it, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is easy and satisfying. It has some AI tricks that are incredibly useful, other photo AI tools that are almost magical, and some photo reimagined tools that can be downright scary. However you feel about AI, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is definitely the best phone to give all of Google's AI advances a try. The cameras on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold are decent, with excellent zoom on par with the best camera phones. The image quality isn't quite as good as we'd hope for such an expensive phone, but we can definitely see that foldable cameras are getting better. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold isn't quite as powerful as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and it isn't as stylish as the OnePlus Open, but it has the right combination of slim design, advanced features, and amazing screen quality to make it my favorite foldable phone for this year. Number 3. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open gives us everything we want in a foldable phone that we weren't getting before. It has great cameras, especially for portraits and selfies. It also has the best design of any big foldable phone, especially if you're willing to pay a bit more for the OnePlus Open Apex Edition, which comes in a crimson shadow color and includes 1 TB of storage inside. In classic OnePlus fashion, the OnePlus Open is a flagship killer, so you get great specs, especially when it comes to the phone's performance and the great displays inside and out. You also get a cool design, all for a lower price than most competitors. Don't be scared off by the phone's price tag. OnePlus is making it easy to get an even bigger discount if you have any phone to trade. The OnePlus Open admittedly comes with some compromises that you won't find on a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It isn't water resistant. While Samsung's phone can take a dive underwater, it doesn't have S Pen support or a ton of great productivity features like Samsung has. That doesn't matter because the OnePlus Open is built right, while the Samsung Fold just feels wrong. It's too narrow and closed. While the OnePlus Open feels perfect, if you want a tablet foldable phone for less, there's only one to consider. Number 2. Motorola Razer Plus 2025. The Motorola Razer Plus 2025 had one job: to be just a bit more cool than the Razer from 2023. It mostly succeeded thanks to an even larger cover display, bright new color options, and useful shortcuts and features that make it fun to use. The Razer Plus 2025 should be our favorite flip phone of the year, but Samsung had the edge in durability and performance, especially when it came to the cameras. Still, this phone is very fun to use and show off, and it's a phone that stands out in a crowd in the best way. Wait until you get to hang up on someone or hang up on all social media. The Motorola Razer Plus 2025 will win you over the moment you snap it closed, and again every time you open up that humongous bright display. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is the most powerful and reliable flip phone you can buy. It may not be as fun as the Motorola Razer Plus 2025, but it feels much more durable and powerful, and Samsung's AI features are surprisingly fun and useful. In fact, this phone is the rare Samsung phone that I wish included even more of Samsung's advanced software features. The company offers so many options and customizations that it can be hard to keep track of them all. Thankfully, Bixby is the best voice assistant to help use your phone, and Samsung's other AI features, like the writing assistants, can be a useful tool without crossing any AI red lines. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is Samsung's most refined flip phone design yet, and it feels remarkably solid. Other flip phones make you wonder if they'll break after a few thousand flips or so, but the Samsung feels like it will last as long as my knuckles can bend it. The colorful options look much better in person for the Z Flip 6, so check them out if you can, or just stick with the unique textured black that you can only buy online. It's a very cool look. Look, I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.